Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and I'm going to introduce how to get started in assignment number 3 for the CSIT134 PowerPoint for Business class for spring 2017. In Blackboard, you're going to click to the assignments page, and near the top you'll see the link for assignment 3. Please note that assignment 3 is due by midnight on February 25th, 2017. When you click into assignment 3, you'll see what you always see in the beginning, which is a list of the different topics and skills you're going to learn in assignment 3, and a little bit lower, a summary of what you're going to turn in for this assignment. In assignment 3, you're going to learn a little bit more advanced techniques. You're going to create a custom theme and background colors, add animation. You're going to create a link to an online video, meaning a link to a video that exists on the internet. You're going to practice rehearsal techniques for presentation delivery and some other things, including how to prepare a self-running presentation slideshow that loops, something like you might see at a kiosk at some public building or in a mall, shopping mall or something like that. So you're going to read chapter 3 in your textbook, and of course you can read that online or in the physical book. You're going to watch a video that I created that shows you how to create a graphic chart in PowerPoint, like a bar chart or a pie chart that illustrates data. You're going to do a PowerPoint project and take the chapter 3 quiz in Blackboard. So if you keep scrolling the page up, you'll get into the details. This project that you're going to do here is not in SimNet. Okay, it's going to be outside of SimNet using just regular PowerPoint software, and then you're going to upload it into Blackboard. So first, read chapter 3, which is entitled Preparing for Delivery and Using a Slide Presentation. It tells you the page numbers you're going to read. I do encourage you to do the pause and practice exercises and the show me, guide me, let me try tutorials in the SimNet chapter online. None of these are graded, none of these are turned in. Here is a link to a video I made for you. It's about a 10-minute video, and it shows how to insert and format and modify a data chart in PowerPoint, specifically that. And then down here are the instructions and the details for the project itself. The name of the project is Improve It Project 3-7. It's located after the end of chapter 3, and it tells you which page numbers to go to in the online book and also in the physical book. So please be aware that you're doing this outside of SimNet. You don't need to use SimNet to do this project unless you just need to use SimNet to read the instructions, that's all. It's going to ask you to use a start file or a beginning file, and that's this one right here. It's called announcement-03. You're going to click on that. It will open the PowerPoint file for you, and you can then save it as your own project file on your computer. So this is the file you need to do assignment 3, the project. Then you're going to upload and submit that work, that file, in Blackboard. I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. I want to point out this green area here. This is an opportunity for you to earn some extra credit points. So if you want to earn extra credit, please read the instructions here and do this little extra credit sort of mini project. Don't forget also to take the chapter 3 quiz at the end of chapter 3, when you're finished reading chapter 3, come in back to Blackboard and take the chapter 3 quiz. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up here to the top, and when you are ready to turn in your project, at the bottom, the last little step here in the project instructions, step 4, explains what to do. You're going to upload and submit the file into a link here in Blackboard. It will be located on this page or to the left of the page or even at the bottom of the page, and just look for a link that says Turn in A3 Project here. You're going to click that link and it'll open up the page to where you turn in your project. Again, remember, if you need assistance while you're working on this project, before the due date, a couple of days before the due date, if you would like to, you can send me your project file as an email attachment and ask me any specific questions you have about it. If you're having trouble with it or if you're stuck on one aspect of the project, you can send me your file and ask me your questions, and I'll give you my feedback and some advice on what I think you need to do to resolve the issue before it's due. So again, if you have any questions, please email me directly, and thank you for watching.